Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. So inside this video, I will show you step by step how to complete your KYC step 2. Finally, I received the KYC step 2. Finally, inside this video, practically, and together we will verify our KYC 2. Together we will verify our Twitter account. So this is the KYC step 2 first phase. After this, we will see KYC step 2 identity verification, where you need to submit your documents, where you need to submit your national ID card. So don't worry if you are facing any problem while verifying your KYC step 2, because inside this video, step by step, I will show you how to verify your KYC step 2, how to verify your Twitter account. So we will talk about the latest update of Ice Network, even about Ethereum distribution. Ethereum distribution is going to start soon. Each month, we are going to receive our token. So don't skip any part of the video, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Ice Network, Pi Network, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, even about pre-sale projects, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So in previous video, I told you about KYC step 2. Even I told you once I receive the KYC step 2, I will make a new video. Practically and together we will verify our KYC step 2. So if any of you just facing problem while verifying your KYC, so don't worry, because inside this video, step by step, I will show you how to verify, how to complete your KYC step 2. We have to complete our KYC because without that, we will not get our token, because Ethereum distribution is going to start. We just paste our ERC20 address. We just complete our KYC step 1. Now we are completing our KYC step 2. First phase, and then we are going to complete our KYC step 2, second phase, which is about identity verification. So once we complete our KYC, and then we will get our token. In previous video, I told you how we will get our token, how many phases we will have. So each month we are going to get our 10% of the token. So now directly we will jump to our mobile application, and then I will show you how to complete your KYC step 2. So okay guys, you can see this is Ice Network mobile application. So finally I just received the KYC step 2. So verify your account easily by using your existing X profile. It means that in here you need to verify your Twitter account, and then make sure the Twitter account name with your Ice name, they should match, because otherwise some of the users are facing problem. So okay, now simply click on continue option. So in here you can see verify with Twitter account. So you can see, even click on show example, you can check. This is the example how you can verify your KYC step 2. This is the example you can see. So open your Twitter account and search for Ice blockchain account. This is the official Ice Network Twitter account. So second step is find the pinned post, which is the first post on the profile. So like the post and repost it with quote using the exact text below. So you need to copy this text. In here you can see the 3 line. You can see nickname. So your nickname with your Twitter account name, they should match. If it should not match, so your account, I can say your KYC step 2 will not be verified. So that's why make sure both name should be matched. So we will copy this. Step to copy this. Okay, now we will go to our Twitter account. So this is the official account of Ice Network. You can see, simply come to here, Ice Decentralized Future. This is the official Twitter account of Ice Network. So in here you can see, this is the pinned post. You can see in here. You can check some detail. So we don't need to check that, but simply in here, this is the pinned post. Simply like the post. Okay, click on like button. Now click on this option in here, retweet. Okay, now click on this to repost this post. Click on this. Okay, now click on quote, because we need to paste those tags in here. Click on this. Okay, now got it. Okay, now paste it in here. Paste it in here. Something like this, you can see. This is what you can verify your KYC step 2. Okay, now click on repost. Okay, finally got it. So finally it is done. Finally it is done. Let me show you. Let me show you in here. Wait a minute. Let me show you in my profile. Okay, go to profile. You can see. Finally, I just done it. You can see I just done it. I just repost this. Okay, now copy the link. Simply copy the link in here. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, click on this and then copy link. Go back to your in here. Okay, click on continue. Click on confirm. Now paste the link in here. Paste the link and then click on verify button. Click on confirm. So we need to wait for 160 seconds remaining. So we need to wait. Okay, finally you can see verification completed. So finally I just verify my KYC step 2. So if your Twitter name with your Ice mobile application name, if both name are different, so you cannot verify your KYC. That's why make sure both name should match, whether your Twitter account and then Ice mobile application, the username. So they should match. The name should be same. So this is how you can verify your KYC step 2. Finally, I just completed my KYC step 2. Okay, you can see in here, I have 629,000 ICE token. So this is very simple, very easy how to verify your KYC step 2, how to verify your Twitter account. Again, if you face any problem, let me know in the comment section. I will help you. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. So smash the like button to 20 all-time high. Share this video with everyone so that everyone, your team members should learn how to verify their KYC. So that's why share this video with your team members, share this video with everyone. So still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye. See you.